Magnesium. Why do 75% of people lack magnesium? Let's break it down. Magnesium is like the Swiss Army knife of minerals. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. From relaxing your muscles, to keeping your heart steady, and even boosting your mood. Studies show nearly 75% of Americans are deficient in magnesium. That's right, according to the National Institutes of Health, most of us are running on empty. But why is this tiny mineral so mighty? Research published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition reveals magnesium helps improve sleep quality and reduces anxiety. Plus, a study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found it supports healthy blood pressure levels. So, how do you get more? Foods like spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate are loaded with it. But sometimes supplements are your best bet to hit the mark. Ready to level up your health game? Don't overlook magnesium, your body will thank you. Hit that follow and button for more wellness tips, and be sure to leave a comment.